In this recording, we will go over the new CRM Plus feature. So while I'm going to show you this example on a reservation and how you can use the CRM Plus feature, please keep in mind that this CRM Plus feature will be found on programs, registrations, memberships, the enrollment piece, the facilities, members, leagues, teams, invoices, payments, as well as your point of sale pieces. So I'm going to click here to my recent reservation, and I'm going to click on one that recently happened so that I can see the CRM Plus connected to it. So I can see there's some notes, documents, and tasks. So when I click on the notes icon, I can come in here and I can see that I've actually been mentioned. This is actually them asking if I can take a look at this and if it's okay that they have a last-minute reservation since the calendar was free. So I can actually come here and I can respond. Now I'm going to actually respond, and I'm going to respond to my coworker Tom so that I can bring him in on this. And I'm going to say Tom, and I can make a note saying that this reservation is fine. This is a small group and it requires no additional staffing. And that will send an email to Tom to let him know that more comments have been made so that he can follow with this conversation. And you can do that mention up here to start a new conversation, and you can mark it as a phone call, email, meeting, or other. In the documents area, you're going to be able to upload documents. You can either drag and drop from your local file or click here to load, use link, take photos, record audio, or use any of these other options. And once a document is uploaded, you'll be able to click on it, and you'll be able to see that information as well as decide if you need to do things like print or download. And then we get into this task piece. This task area is where you're going to be able to assign pieces to different members of your team or different action items that will need to be done. So right here, I can see a list of different action items that need to be completed for this reservation. Now, this is the one that is assigned to me, so I can actually check this off. But before I check this off, I want to show you one cool thing about tasks. On the dashboard, you're going to be able to look at the CRM Plus tab and see tasks that are assigned to you. And you'll be able to either check off that you're approving that here, or you can click on that icon and it brings you to that task list within that reservation or whatever it may be linked to, so that here is where you can come and you can check off that task. Now, as you can see, you can hide or show them, and that same feature is available on the dashboard. When you get mentioned, you're going to be able to go into your email, and you'll get an email telling you that your coworker mentioned you on a reservation. And then there's a couple of hyperlinks. I can click on practice and I can go to that reservation, or I can click view message and I can go to that message. And both of these will work, and it'll take you directly to that area. So they all work as shortcuts. And that's all you need to know for the new CRM Plus feature.